In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glide apps no code. Glide lets you build real usable apps without writing a single line of code, and in just a few minutes, you'll have something you can share with others. Start by heading to the official Glide website and signing up for a free account. Once you're in, click New Project. This opens the workspace where your app will live. Glide gives you several ways to begin. You can start from a template for a quick head start. Pull data from Google Sheets, Excel, or Airtable if your information already lives there, or build from scratch if you want complete control from the outset. Choose the option that matches where your data is today. After you pick a starting point, connect your data source and allow Glide to import it. Clean, clearly labeled columns will make everything smoother, so double check your headers if needed. As soon as the data lands, Glide automatically generates a basic app for you. Think of this as your foundation. It's already functional, and now you can shape it to fit your needs. Use the drag and drop editor to customize the experience. Add pages for different parts of your app, rearrange sections to prioritize what matters most, switch layouts to match your content, and update colors and branding so the app reflects your style. This is also a great time to add no-code components. Drop in text blocks for instructions or descriptions, buttons for key actions, images to showcase visuals, forms to collect input, and lists to display data. If your use case calls for it, bring in calendars, charts, or maps to present information in ways that are easy to understand at a glance. Open the data editor to manage your app's information directly inside Glide. You can view and adjust records here without going back to your original source, which is handy for quick fixes or content updates. Next, create no-code actions and automations to make your app do real work. Configure steps to send emails, update rows, add and handle form submissions, trigger workflows based on user actions, and connect integrations. You can also take advantage of Glide's AI and workflow tools to automate repetitive tasks, helping your app feel smart and responsive without any programming. Preview your app in both mobile and desktop modes to test the user experience. Click through as if you're a first-time user and confirm everything is readable, tappable, and fast. When you're happy, click Publish. Share your app via a simple link, a QR code, a custom domain, or by embedding it on a website. If you outgrow the free plan, consider upgrading for more users, private apps,